In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Mbox future while examining the Mobox cost estimate for 2023 and past in an exceptionally huge manner. Kindly remember that you want to by and large think about this and any kind of other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything certainly is an unpleasant errand, certainly not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Mobox, or so they thought. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Mobox value forecast and answer questions in the event that Mbox sort of is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Mbox certainly succeed or by and large fall flat, or for what reason will Mobox value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what Mbox truly is and its to-date history in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin sort of has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in a quite huge manner. When by and large add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon in every way that really matters is dim, and there will be essentially more blood in the city of the crypto town, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Financial backers in every way that really matters are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Crypto especially is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe basically play, and consequently the offer off, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Our algo still sees a sum essentially green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year in a fundamentally significant manner. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and sort of alter the course, or so they thought. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will for the most part begin to do likewise. We especially have seen this situation many times in the far off and certainly later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the sort of next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We sort of expect whales and other kind of greater players in the market to really wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each undertaking. 2023 0126 plus 8.02% $0 5231 2023 01 27 plus 6.53% $0 5159 2023 01 28 plus 6.52% $0 5159 2023 01 29 plus 5.17% $0 5093 2023 01 30 plus 2.13% $0 4946 2023 01 312.48% $0 4722 2023 02 01 0.31% $0 4828 2023 02 02 plus 4.97% $0 5083 2023 02 033.94% 46 cents Mobox value forecast 2023 fundamentally high expansion and very risky large-scale circumstance considered vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022 in a significant manner. At the point when we take the inner crypto issues with exceptionally large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 in every way that really matters isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will most likely see a ton of by and large exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to truly slip for the most part lower with each truly minor market quake in an unpretentious manner. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner in an unpretentious way. Beneath truly is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 14.63% $0 4134 2023 blemish 26.97% $0 3537 2023 APR 26.78% $0 3546 2023 May 24.85% $0 3639 2023 June 15.62% $0 4086 2023 Joel 12.87% $0 4220 2023 AUG 4.52% $0 4624 2023 SEP 0.77% $0 4805 2023 OCT 1.48% $0 4771 2023 NOV plus 11.33% $0 5391 2023 DEC plus 8.25% $0 5242-2024 Jan plus 18.80% 57 cents Mbox value forecast 2025 Our expectation model sees Mbox coming to 95 cents in 2025. What will Mbox be most certainly worth in 5 years? The cost of Mbox in 5 years could sort of lie around 88 cents in a truly significant manner. Mobox value forecast 2030 to 2040 What Mobox will be most certainly worth in 2030. Our determining model sees Mobox coming to $2.40 in 2030. What Mobox will be worth in 2040. Our determining model sees Mobox coming to $4.79 in 2040 in an unpretentious manner. Will Mobox especially supplant, basically outperform, surpass Bitcoin, which for the most part is very huge? No, Mobox won't supplant or overwhelm BTC, or so they really thought. Might Mobox at any point reach $100, which truly is genuinely critical? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Mobox to basically reach $100 in the genuinely short or mid-term period, which generally is genuinely huge. Could Mobox at any point reach $1,000, which is very critical? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Mobox to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period. We are promoters of modestly unsafe financial planning. Certainly put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of huge cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with colossal potential gain in a significant manner. Thus, in this unique circumstance, Mobox explicitly is truly worth purchasing in a fundamentally significant manner. Is Mobox a sort of wise interest in a quite enormous manner? Mobox is, very much like all very other cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous venture, or so they basically thought. It does have kind of higher likelihood of going up than down due to the in every way that really matters. Great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and an especially strong group behind it. How especially much will Mobox for the most part be worth, or so they truly thought? For the momentary future, it could sort of reach 29 cents in a fundamentally enormous manner. In the long haul, it could leap to $2.40 or considerably higher, or so they most certainly thought. Mobox generally has a kind of good use case, all-around planned tokenomics, exceptionally dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These, in every practical sense, are an essential for progress, and that for the most part is the reason our expectation model sees Mobox ascending to $2.40 in 2030 incredibly. Crypto projects most certainly come up short in light of multiple factors, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the task. Controllers basically proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration. More effective contenders. Absence of very much planned promoting procedure. Losing local area support. Possible weakness in the convention. Neglecting to especially accomplish expected least development movement on the convention.